Go with the blue. So B just sliced me up some eggplant. We're going to use that on some pizza tonight. But I'm going to show you my favorite as far as you know, some I like to eat eggplant. So crack the eggs. Careful with the shells. See? Sometimes you go 2. I've seen somebody do like 8 eggs. Do 2, 4 eggs. And I got a little bit of a shell left in there. Best diners in the world crack those eggs to order. There's the shell. We'll put a little Parmesan in there. A little bit of fresh garlic. That's great for chicken too, like a front, you know, you do your française, you want to put some little garlic and step it up a notch. Okay. So, put our eggplant. You can slice it thick or thin, however you like it. Alright, we just rinse off a little bit. They wipe off the excess. It'll drain off. That's going, I'll do a few more. Prep day, Saturday night. Saturday Night Live here. You know, we don't pre-record this stuff, man, huh?
No? It's all
Saturday Night Live. The show must go on. So we're doing our videos and doing a little prep work at the same time. When I just like, how many eggplants we did here? 2, B? Yeah. grab me about six more eggs. Run along. That's our barbecue sauce going in the background here. So that's it right there. Beautiful, right? Yeah. Now, Glenn. You know, if that's all I was doing, I'd hit it right now with some Parmesan. But we're gonna be frying up some more. So I'll wait till I get it on the. I love it like this right here. Just do your open-faced eggplant Parmesan. Maybe we'll do that, Glenn. We'll do a recipe with that.
Yeah.
That's it. Boom. Now you gotta watch your heat because this is all up to high temp now. So we shut it right down. And one more batch. Olive oil. B's making a nice pizza today with, what are you going to put on it, B? Basically the garden.
Finish it with a balsamic, please.
Right there under the broiler. That's un segundo. So I like it, just like this.
Yep.
Right? The pure flavor of nature, can't beat it. Just a little Parmesan crusted eggplant. Easy to make, and from there the sky's the limit. Do whatever you want with it. Peace. Just finish it up. Hey, Johnny.
What?
You like eggplant?
Oh, hell yeah.
Come on over. Huh. This guy, Johnny. My main man. Been our delivery driver for Grossman Seafood, and he's the bill collector when somebody's short. They sent Johnny. They go out to collect. Puts the arm on him, you know. Hey. Pay up or else, right?
Yeah, right.
That old Navy training, right? Hey, what I said. So you like eggplant? Hell yeah!
You're asking the Giddy if he likes eggplant. Come on!
Hey, you can say that, but I can't. You know how that goes.
Oh my God.
I mean, I think I got a little bit of Italian in me, but
everybody's got a little Italian in them.
you say Giddy in the wrong place.
Hey, I said it to my dad when he was alive.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
In a good way or a bad way?
Oh, both ways.
Hey, grab a fork over there. Yeah, so Johnny he used to be across the bridge here, and now he's over in he's in Hartford, and goes back and forth, and then you got to go back tonight to Hartford.
Yeah, drop off the truck.
Drop off the truck and back, put some miles. So But Johnny's my main man. We've had some good laughs.
We've had some
We go
wild
back.
nights.
He gives me all the scoop. What's going on? Who's not paying their bills? No, well, hey. No. You won't mention any names. Hey, but try this out, Johnny. Try that. Oh, wait, take a whiff. Hot now.
I smell cheese everywhere.
That's gonna be hot.
Oh, please.
He's like me, Ed. Eat on the run. Right now. Mucho gusto.
Brother?
Huh? All it is, John, look.
I know.
Thin sliced, salt, pepper. I put an egg and garlic and Parmesan cheese and garlic, right? In a nice hot skillet.
You make an eggplant lasagna with it?
You could. You do whatever you want with it at this point.
Wow.
But
I will.
I'm gonna do a quick eggplant Parmesan, like open face.
You know what you do with this? Put on a Kaiser roll,
Oh yeah, we were saying that.
a little tomato on it, and add a little mozzarella cheese on top of it with some balsamic vinegar.
Oh.
Yeah.
What do we call that? Eggplant Johnny?
Yeah, that's what I do at home. And I tell you right now,
Hey.
it kills.
Abundanza.
Yeah.
Right, brother? All right, Daddy Jack's here. My main man just swung by. You know, he's showed us a lot of favors here. You know, hot shot and stuff, whatever we need. Johnny's here. Johnny's here for us. Can't forget the workers of America, right, Johnny?
You got that right.
All right, brother.
Like you, Jack. You're a hard-working
Well,
chef.
we try. We try, right? Look what we got here, Glenn. This is all the eggplant we did. So there's a whole eggplant, just a set. What are we gonna call that eggplant? You know, Francais, eggplant Francais, maybe.
Yeah.
Let's go. You know, check out our eggplant Francais recipe. So this could be an open face eggplant Parmesan. So this just came out of the refrigerator. A little bit of pesto oil. Just a touch of salt and pepper. Not too much. So simple. Okay. I got my marinara. A little bit of marinara sauce over here. Not too much. A little bit more maybe. Okay. Provolone. So simple to make, right, Glenn?
Yeah. Piece of cake.
A little more. Always clean your rim of the plate before you put up under the broiler. Either in the oven or on the broiler. It's a nice golden brown. We'll be right back. Alrighty. See it looking good. Woo! Look at that bad boy, huh, Glenn? One thing I don't have is I can't find the green onions right now. That'd be. There is?
I'll let you find those first.
No? Simple. Parsley. Aha! Aha! Can't go without it. Woo. There we go. Good, B. Get in.
I'm excited about this.
Let's job. Ah.
I think we all know it's still gonna go in my mouth even if it's hot.
Damn, yo. Right?
Exactly what you said. I gotta go in.
I second that.
That ricotta with the, I just love ricotta and eggplant together, always.
It's healthy too, you know, you're not a lot of breading.
Oh yeah.
Good, have a little no bite here, B. Come on. Justin, you wanna try? The
I just grabbing some stuff.
a lot of times, you know, like eggplant, when you fried eggplant, it stacks up. It's all soggy. Justin, you wanna try it? Yeah. I'm not lying, man. Woo! With a little pesto and the ricotta.
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. Was nice.
Yeah, ricotta really makes it.
It's nice. Like we could make up about 10 plates of these. I'll go pop them in the oven and finish them on the broiler, ready to roll.
Yeah.
That's what we're thinking of doing. We're thinking of going like scrapping the menu and going like nightly 5, 6 entrees plus our pizza. Do a little, you know, change up the salads a little bit. This is what we're thinking. But try it out at home. Very easy, simple, cheap. Eggplant's so affordable. Feed your whole family 10 for under for 10 bucks. I'm not kidding you. Dave Jack's Cook with the Blues here. Glenn Peltier on camera. Couldn't do without you, brother. Peace.